So now in the validator, it says spend. Where did this spend come from? Okay, let's jump into the thing. So
Nice.
this spend is called a script purpose. So that means what does this validator want to do? Okay.
It
So
wants to
everything this
spend.
validator wants to do are divided into these high level categories called script purposes. So each validator has the ability to do these things, and all of these things are called script purposes, which is it can either each validator can mint something, it can spend something, it can withdraw, it can publish, it can vote, or it can propose. These are all the things that a validator can do.
It's
Uh-huh.
Okay.
verbs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically verbs, validator verbs. And a validator can do one or more of these things. So it's not just always one thing a validator can do. It can do one or more of these script purposes.
It can do
All
all of
clear?
them.
Or do all of them.